All right, so we've got some breaking news here. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, also known as RBG, has passed away. She has died, apparently from complications due to cancer. I believe she had fought off at least one cancer, but I think she fought off multiple cancers, if I'm not mistaken. So honestly, it's kind of a sort of miracle that she even sort of made it this long. It was pretty impressive. Now, she is somebody who is looked at as pretty much a hero on feminist issues, on gender equality, and those sorts of issues. She was a moderate when Bill Clinton nominated her to the bench in 1993, as it says here. It says Ginsburg went on to leave a lasting mark in the realm of gender equality, civil liberties, and pay equity. Talks about some of her rulings, where she ruled that the male-only policy of admissions in Virginia's Military Institute was unconstitutional. There were some other cases as well. It says one such thing came in 2007 after the court ruled 5-4 on procedural grounds to bar pay discrimination claim brought by former Goodyear Tire employee Lily Ledbetter. Supreme Court reporter. It was through Ginsburg dissenting opinions during the mid-2000s that she found her voice and used it. So that is another interesting thing here, is that Antonin Scalia, who was a really, really conservative justice on the Supreme Court, was apparently best friends with Ruth Bader Ginsburg. So that's sort of an unlikely friendship, odd one there. She is certainly somebody who mainly focused on issues of gender equality. I believe she had voted in favor of the bakery in the recent bakery versus gay couple case. And so she was more of a moderate on the issue. We also know that she kind of called out Colin Kaepernick for doing his kneeling. So she's not sort of someone who would be like left wing per se, but she seemed to have a focus when it came specifically to gender equality issues, and she would usually side with where the liberals went. So she is a hero. She's viewed as a hero for liberals as well as, feminists and that area. So she's left a lasting mark on the Supreme Court. Now, what are the ramifications of this? It appears to be close enough to the election. Now, we remember when Scalia died and there was a opening during Obama's final year, the Republicans said that they weren't gonna fill it because, quote, it was an election year, so they refused to have a hearing for his name currently escapes me, but he had obviously picked out his choice. It was Merrick Garland was who it was. Merrick Garland was his choice, and they refused to even hold a hearing or have an up and down vote, so they just refused to do it. But this time, the election is about 5 weeks away, 6 weeks away, so I don't think that they're going to be able to insert a justice quick enough. But this would be a huge deal, obviously, if the Republicans tried to do so. But this means that Joe Biden is probably going to fill the seat of Ruth Bader Ginsburg because all of the numbers seem to show that Joe Biden is going to win. So that will seem to be what happens after this. But Ruth Bader Ginsburg has passed away. This is huge news.